Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast. Today, we're diving deep into the world of coding and collaboration with a focus on GitHub, a platform that has truly revolutionized how developers work together on projects. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. Now, have you ever wondered how, in a single platform, you can not only write and manage code, but also automate workflows, track issues, and even collaborate on discussions without leaving the environment? It's all possible with GitHub, and that's what makes it so powerful. Let's start with the concept of GitHub Copilot. Imagine you're in a coding session, and your coding buddy is an AI that can suggest entire lines of code or even whole functions as you type. Pretty mind-blowing, right? Well, that's precisely what GitHub Copilot does. It's like having a super smart coworker at your side, providing suggestions based on the context of your project. So, for all those moments when you stare blankly at your screen, hoping for inspiration, Copilot is there to help. Now, switching gears a bit, security is always a big concern in coding. Did you know that GitHub has features specifically designed to help you find and fix vulnerabilities in your code? Imagine if you could catch those pesky security flaws before they become a problem. With GitHub's security tools, you can not only keep your project safe, but also ensure your users' information is protected. That's a serious game changer. And then there's the aspect of collaboration. GitHub's tools streamline how teams work together. Think of it as a well-oiled machine for project management. You can track issues, manage code changes through code review processes, and even discuss ideas right in the platform. This means instead of sifting through endless email threads, you can keep everything organized in one place. It's efficient and fosters a stronger team dynamic. Now, if you're working on an open source project, there's a fantastic initiative called GitHub Sponsors. This allows you to fund open source developers who contribute to projects you find valuable. It's like a community-supported funding model where everyone benefits. Have you ever considered supporting a developer or a project that you use regularly? It's a cool way to give back. Also, let's not forget the README project, a collection of thoughtful community articles that provide insights and best practices for using GitHub effectively. Whether you're looking to improve your documentation or seeking tips on how to better engage with community members, this resource can be a goldmine. As we continue this conversation, think about the future of coding communities. With tools like GitHub becoming increasingly AI-powered, how do we see collaboration evolving? Will we see more developers using AI as a co-pilot in their daily work? All right, as we start wrapping up, I just want to recap a few key points. First, GitHub is more than just a place to store code. It's a comprehensive ecosystem for collaboration, security, and project management. Second, tools like Copilot and GitHub Sponsors are reshaping how we think about coding and community support. Lastly, resources like the README project empower developers to grow and connect in more meaningful ways. So, what do you think about the evolution of coding on platforms like GitHub? Is it making the developer experience more enjoyable and collaborative? Or do you think traditional methods have their place still? We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Thanks for tuning in today, and make sure to join us next time as we explore more exciting topics from the tech world.